Such a famous.
Day 2 started with a visit from a friendly neighborhood scorpion who was quickly shooed away. We quickly packed up, received our instructions, and went on our way further into Marble Canyon, and were immediately treated to the site of Vasey's Paradise, which John Wesley Powell named after a botanist who had previously traveled with him. Barely a mile downriver, we got our first look at Red Wall Cavern, a vast chamber that Powell thought might hold 50,000 people, or at least 10 boys chasing frisbees. After we left the cavern, it was only a few miles until a new form of piracy hit the high seas of the Colorado.
Careful on the side. Be careful on the side.
A hike up Saddle Canyon after lunch stretched our legs, but having the chance to spend some time in the bright blue waters of the Little Colorado River sent everyone's spirits soaring.
Rolling, rolling, rolling on the river. Rolling, rolling, yeah, rolling on the river.
After leaving the LCR, we enjoyed a short and quiet trip to our campsite for the night. A chance to spread out and relax, play with the carp who came right up to the boats, enjoy some stadium seating and good conversation, play some high-stakes river poker, and remember an important birthday.
Tonight, a birthday! Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tom. Happy birthday to you.
A wonderful 42 years.
A spectacular dinner of grilled halibut made for a great end to our second day in the canyon, as we filled our stomachs with another first-class meal, swapped tales of the day's adventure, and relaxed as part of our new routine.
Hey, Spence, do you want to try a little bit that's not?